Hey everyone, how's it going? With the NBA Finals going on right now, I thought it'd be fun to show you one of the superstars of the Finals, and that is Steph Curry. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Steph Curry, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then we're going to come back. We'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to go down, and then we're going to come back. Next, we're going to go up and then down, and then we're going to go up and then down for the eyebrows. Starting here, I'm going to make two little curved lines, and then I'll make two curved lines right over here. I'll draw a little line here and a little line here. Next, we're going to make a circle shape inside of here. And then I'm going to color everything in except just a little bit white. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and over. And then right here, I'm going to make a little smile. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. We're going to curve it around, and then we're going to come up. Then I'm going to go up, across, and down. Make a little line that's going to come out and down, out and down. I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up on each side. And we're just going to put a little bit of like a bumpy line right across here. Make a little line under here. Then starting here, we're going to make a line that comes down on each side. We're going to come up and over right towards the nose. So we're just going to come up and over. And we're going to come over and then down. We're going to come over and down. And then we're just going to make a little line across. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and up. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and a line that's going to come down. I'm going to go out a little bit. And then we'll just curve it across for the jersey. Next, I'm going to draw a line that comes over. And I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up. Over here, we're going to make a line that comes out, and another line that comes up. And then right here, I'm going to make a little curved line for the thumb. Starting here, let's make a circle for the basketball. Little curved line. We're going to make a line that's going to come down and then back here for the arm. Right here, we'll make a line that's going to come out for a thumb. Make a line that comes out here. We'll do 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and we'll curve it over. And we're going to come down and then back. Next, make a line that comes down, over, and then up. Then right here we're going to go out and down, out and then down. We'll curve it over on each side. Come up and then across. We're going to go down, over and up, down, over and up. We'll make a skinny oval shape right around each leg. Make this line come down. We're going to go over and up. Same thing here. We're going to come down. We're going to go over and then up. We'll redraw that same line right across the bottom of the shoe. Then we'll just draw a line across here. We'll put in another little stripe right there. Starting here, we're going to go down and then over. For the shorts, down and then over. Then we'll make a little line that comes up here on each side, and then a little line right here. Then starting here, we'll make a little circle, and then we're going to put 30 inside of here. Now for the basketball, we're just going to draw a line that's going to curve here, and one's going to curve here. Line down, and then line across. And there you go. There is your drawing of Steph Curry. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.